What day is it today, Elaine?
It's Easter Sunday.
Easter Sunday.
And we're going to the beach.
Oh, and we're going...
Not there.
Not that way. Easter Sunday. And what beach or bay we're heading for, because I can't pronounce it. I'm not too sure whether I get it right.
Well, our best guess is Marloes Beach.
But somebody this morning called it Marloes.
We're not so sure.
We're not too sure. Marloes. Answers on a postcard. Oh, it's a good path, isn't it? So, Marloes Sands is in Pembrokeshire, South Wales. In fact, all the beaches that we've been to so far have been in South Wales. It's been like a mini road trip, taking in all the beaches and some of the sights. Indeed, look at it. Oh wow, look at this.
Look at that. It's pretty impressive.
This,
just do another shot.
yeah.
Stop.
This is in South Wales on Easter Sunday. Amazing. The sea's going out, so we think we can actually walk around here. And we should be on some sands. What a difference half an hour makes, because all this was covered in sea a few moments back. Sand! That's where we've just been, and now we're heading over there. she goes. She's trying to figure out how to get across without falling in. Yay! This is Gomer Island. Looks absolutely amazing from here. And once we've walked along here, we're going to head that way to grab a crafty cup of tea, I hope. This part of the land is called Deer Park. So, do they really sell ice cream at the top there?
No.
No!
It's a mistake.
Oh, don't know, you get me up here under false pretences. It's an ice cream. Oh, it's cash. Oh, that's okay. Oh, that's all right. I think there's someone in there. Very nice place to work. That's cool.
Look what we found. Ice cream.
We've done the one half of the loop and we're coming back round the coastline, which should take us back to the car. We've still got all this to enjoy. Look around here. Wow. What, pray tell, is the name of that beach?